Hi everyone, in this video I will show you Google Passkeys tutorial, how to use and set up Google Passkeys. So what you're going to do here is you just have to go to your Google account and then tap on your profile. Then you have to look for manage account right here, tap this one. Now in the manage Google account, you have to go to the left side and you should see the security option, click this one. Under security, you should see the passkey right here or Google Passkey. So here it is, passkeys and security keys. You have to click this one right here. So once you tap this, then it will take you directly to your Google Passkeys. You have to enter your password first. So you can see, you can read the following here. With Passkeys, you can securely sign in with your Google account using your fingerprint, face, and so on. To start, tap on create a passkey. So you have to click this one. But in order for you to do that, you have to make sure that you have enroll or turn on the Windows Hello. Once you have added your Windows Hello pin, and then you can now create a passkey and then you can use that pin right here. So if I'm going to create this one, tap on create a passkey, enter the pin. Then basically if you open this device, it will ask for your pin right here. And so on with other devices. So for example, if you wanted to add a USB key, something like that. For example, I'm going to tap on use another device. And if you want to set Google Passkey for your USB, you can tap this one right here, continue with the setup, and then insert your security key into the USB port and then add the pin. So in short, Google Passkey is a new passwordless way to sign into your Google account and many other application or websites. Instead of typing password, you can use something you already have like your phone, fingerprint, face scan, or a device pin. And basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.